I found this modern Bentwood rocking chair on Temu. It comes with a 2-inch cushion. The fabric is removable for washing. The frame back and the frame seat is metal tubing. The wood
That'll be in here, right?
section, yes,
Yeah.
is veneer
Yeah.
with acrylic stain. It's very, very comfortable. Some people don't like the fact that it leans backward a little too much for some. I find it very comfortable. I practically fell asleep in it. Now I do have a granddaughter that I feed, so when it's time for her feeding, I do put extra cushioning only so that it's easier for me to stand up with her after the feeding. I used to have one similar to it from IKEA, but they're very, very expensive, and it was comfortable, and we sold our condo furniture, so we had to leave it behind. So I'm glad I found this one on Temu, and I am very happy with it.
We normally only buy like really small stuff from Temu, right?
Yeah.
So this is the first time we have got something.
And it is comfortable, very
Yeah.
comfortable. I am
And-
happy with my purchase.
And we're not affiliated with Temu.
Right, and it states that it holds a weight capacity of 330, don't know. The one from IKEA states 242 pounds weight capacity.
Oh wow! So this one is made more sturdy, I guess.
Supposedly.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is a little bit smaller than the one sold at IKEA, but still, I am very happy with
Yeah.
it.